In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the A record for your GoDaddy domain so it points to your actual hosting server. If your domain is currently showing a parked page or not loading the correct website, this usually means the main A record is still pointing to the wrong IP address. The good news is that fixing it is simple, and I'll walk you through the process clearly. First, log into your GoDaddy domain portfolio. This is the area where you manage all of the domains connected to your account. Once you're signed in, take a moment to find the domain name you want to update. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple domains. After you've chosen the domain, click DNS. Or in some accounts, you may see Manage DNS. Both options take you to the DNS management page, where you can control how your domain connects to your website and other services. This is an important section, so move carefully and avoid changing records that aren't related to this setup. Once you're on the DNS page, look for the A record with the name set to @. This record represents the root version of your domain, meaning the version people reach when they type your domain name without adding anything in front of it. It's one of the most important records because it tells the domain where the main website lives. When you find that A record, edit the value field. This is where you'll replace the current IP address with your actual hosting IP address. If the domain is still parked, it may be pointing to a default GoDaddy parked IP instead of your web host. What you want to do here is enter the IP address provided by your hosting company so the domain sends visitors to the correct server. After updating the value, save your changes. This step applies the new DNS setting, but keep in mind that the change may not happen instantly everywhere. DNS updates need time to propagate across the internet, and that can take up to 24 hours. In many cases, it happens sooner, but it's best to allow a full day before assuming something is wrong. While you wait, avoid making repeated changes unless you're certain the IP address is incorrect. Constant edits can make troubleshooting more confusing. Once propagation finishes, your domain should begin loading the correct website from your hosting server. And that's how to update your GoDaddy A record and connect your domain to the right hosting IP address.